Welcome to Easy Arabic online class. The Arabic word for double vowels means tanween. Double vowel marks are the extension of single vowel marks. These are called tanween in Arabic. Tanween add n sound to the single vowel. Double vowel marks are fatah tanween, kasra tanween, lamma tanween. Fatah tanween. Two fatah upon the alphabet and gives an N sound. Kasra tanween. Two kasra below the alphabet and gives in or N sound. Lamma tanween. The lamma, two lammas upon the alphabet and gives un sound. Let us consider double vowels with the first four alphabets. Alif, Fataha, A, Fatah tanween, An. Alif, Kasra gives the sound E and Kasra tanween in. Alif and Lamma gives the sound U and Lamma tanween gives the sound Un. Ba, Ba, Ben, Ba, Bi, Bin, Ba, Bu, Bun. Ta, Ta, Ten, Ta, Ti, Tin, Ta, Tu, Tun. Fa, Fa, Fen, Fa, Fi, Fin, Fa, Thu, Fun. This is about sukun. It is a special vowel mark. Literal meaning is silence and stillness. Sukun is not regarded as an official short vowel, but it is still one of the Arabic harakat. It is different from all other vowels and the only one that is unvoiced. There is no sound on that consonant. It makes the sound a. Sukun and fa gives the sound f. It is a small circle above the alphabet and independent from all other vowels. It has no long vowel representation. Let us consider first four alphabet with a sukun. Alif and sukun gives a. Ba and sukun b. Ta and sukun t. Fa and sukun f. Let us revise. Consider first four alphabet with Fataha, Kasra, Lamma, Sukun, Fatah tanween, Kasra tanween, Lamma tanween. Alif, A, E, U, An, In, Un. Ba, Ba, Bi, Bu, B, Ban, Bin, Bun. Ta, Ta, Ti, Tu, T, Ten, Tin, Tun. Sa, Sa, Si, Su, F, San, Fin, Fun. Keep watching. Please subscribe, share and support us. Thank you.